Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Apple ID account on Android. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As you can see here, I'm currently using Android. Now to log into your Apple account, well, just go ahead and go to one of your favorite browsers. It could be Brave, Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Google right here, Google Chrome. Now the URL box, just go ahead and type down account.apple.com. All right, that's it. Or you could go ahead and type down iCloud.com. All right, works as well. And once that's done, just hit on go. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you got to scroll down a bit. Okay, and tap on sign in. Wait for it. And here, all you got to do is just go ahead and enter your email or phone number. Or if you have a device with iOS 17 or later, you can go ahead and sign in with phone right here or iPhone. And your iOS will receive a notification. Well, you can just go ahead and tap on yes, sign in. If not, manually enter your email and phone number right here. Okay? Just basically sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, well, you can just go ahead and enter the code. Just basically follow simple prompts. Okay, and once that's done or once verified, you'll be logged in and you can now manage your Apple account details, security, and access service like iCloud. All right, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.